Alright, I come back again to show you how to graph absolute value equation by using vertex form. Okay, so I believe you understood how to use table of values to graph absolute value equation. Now we're gonna use vertex form. Okay, let's use vertex form. Okay, so the vertex form, you will have g of x equals x minus h plus k. That's the vertex form. Okay, for the coordinate, you will have v factor h comma k. Okay, remember the only graph you can have if you graph an absolute value equation is a v graph. Okay, is a v graph. I'm going to show you how to get the v graph by using a vertex form. Okay, let's graph the third equation. Okay, so this equation is y equal absolute value plus 4. Okay, so to use the vertex, we don't have any problem now. So we don't have any. Look at, so for the absolute value x, absolute value of x is x. So because we have plus 4, that y, okay, y equal 4. So if y equal 4, so our graph will be up, will be going up on the y-axis. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so I will have very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's x, that's y. Because y equal 4, just go there on the y-axis, boom. Okay, you place a point. So my graph will start by y-axis. That's very easy. Okay. Boom. This is my graph. That's easy. So just check the y-axis. Okay, 4 is the y. So you know absolute value of x is x. So you will have the graph will be up and up and on the y-axis. Okay, that the absolute value y equal absolute value of x plus 4. So that the number 3. Okay, very nice graph. Yes, let's do number 4. I told you this is easy to graph with the vertex form. This is quite easy. Yes, let's do number 4. Number 4 is y equal absolute value of x minus 1 plus 4. You see that equation, this equation is really different. Okay, it's different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to follow the vertex form. To get the x, you know, the x coordinate, I will have to write, you know, I will have to set x minus 1 equals 0 in order to get the x coordinate. Okay, yeah, find the vertex. You can write this down. So I will set this equals 0 because I know absolute value of x minus 1 remains x minus 1. X minus 1 equals 0. So plus 1 both sides. So it's cancel. X equal 1. Okay, that the x coordinate. So you already have the y coordinate. The y coordinate is 4. So the vertex is gonna be 1 and 4. Okay? That's what I told you, it's easy. So you got these 2 points, so I'm just gonna graph. So I don't even need many points. And just show you quick. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's negative numbers. Okay, so that's x, that's 1. So I have these 2 points. So what I'm going to do, look at, that's x equal 1, that's 1. So 4 mean go of 4. Go of 4. So right here. You see, there's nothing. Remember, I told you have to have a V graph. So my graph will be start. This is what? So 1. You see, 1 is the x. You see the x right here. 4 is y-axis. I'm going up to y-axis. So this is my graph. Perfect. Yes. Very nice. So this is my V graph. This is the 1, this is the x. Go up 4, this is the y-axis. Okay? Very nice. You don't need to make a table. If you make a table of values, you will have the same thing. Okay? You will have the same thing. But it's easier to graph with the vertex. Okay? Let's do the last one, the last equation. Okay? The last equation, the last one. So it's really fun to graph absolute value. The last equation is y equal absolute value 2x minus 4 plus 2. Okay, so this equation, I'm going to use the vertex form to graph it. You have to remember you will have a V graph. Okay, that's a V graph you must have. So let's start by finding the vertex. Okay, find the vertex. To find the vertex, I'm going to set 2x minus 4 equals 0 because I need the x coordinate. Okay, remember absolute value of 2x minus 4 will be 2x minus 4. Okay, 2x minus 4. Remember I told you I will set it to 0. Okay, so let me solve that. So plus 4 to both sides. So negative 4, positive 4, that cancel. 2x equal 4. So I need the x. So divide both sides by 2. X equal 2. That's the x coordinate. Okay, we have the x coordinate. So this is the y. Y equal 2. So I have these 2 points. So the vertex is x and y. So I have the vertex. So these 2 points, I'm going to use them to graph my equation, my absolute value equation. Remember, you must have a V graph. So let's do that. And put it. So we're gonna have a very nice graph. Very nice graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative numbers, okay? This is the X, this is the Y. So we're gonna graph 2 and 2. So this is the 2. For the X, this is the 2. But you go up, 2, right here. Right here. So my graph will start, you see that? Will start right here. Right here. Very nice. This is the axis, okay? The axis of symmetry. Yeah, 2 and the axis of symmetry. So my graph starts with 2, which is the x-axis, and go up, start from 2. So this is the graph. Remember, the thing you have to remember, absolute value equation requires you a V-graph, okay? When you graph it, you have to have a V-graph. You can use a table of values to graph absolute value equation. That's why I told you, I taught you how to make a table of values. Very important. You can use a table of values to graph any equation. That's very basic, okay? After the table of values, you can use other techniques. You can use other techniques to graph any equation, but table of values is the first technique you must know. Okay, very nice. So I believe you understand those two ways to graph absolute value equation, making a table and vertex form. Please visit my website. My website, which is on Nougat Smart. Okay, Nougat Smart. Then you will get opportunity to practice, do more practice. Okay, thank you very much. Please share my videos, like them, and subscribe. Also subscribe, because if you subscribe, you will know when I'm posting my video. Okay, thank you very much.